Shane Burney broadcasting live from Las Vegas with the July update for Xandeum. And man, has this been an eventful month. We are launching the new node store on July 30th. We are announcing our initial coin offering. We have launched our DAO and so many things. We are launching the incentivized DevNet. So stay tuned for this whole video. You will learn all about it. And if you like more content like this, don't forget to subscribe and give me that like button. I really appreciate it. So what has been happening in June? We are building, for those of you who don't know Xandeum, we are building smart contracts with an integrated storage layer. That is what the world needs, because we want to build real Web3 apps with a blockchain-based storage layer. It's just not out there. It's a hard technical challenge. We are working on that. I couldn't be happier to work on anything else in the world. And yeah, on July 30th, it's the big launch event. There is a big offer there, so stay tuned. And then we are working on getting our token, the XAND token, XAND, working on getting that listed by November. And you might think, no, oh, November, that's a long time out. But hey, you can participate right now because you can run a validator node and collect your rewards for running that validator node right now. Even though the chain is not ready yet, you will be able to collect your daily rewards with our node store. So if you want to know more about all that, check out our website, xandeum.com, link down in the description. Also, join our Discord. This is super important. You see it up there in the top right. On our Discord server, you can ask all the questions. It's a vibrant community out there. So, and I'm there often, the whole team is there often, and all the communities out there often that helps each other. So that is really great. Don't forget to join that Discord. And what have we achieved in the month of June? Man, we have figured out the DAO. The first DAO vote is out. So we are voting about that rebranding from Bitoku, which is the old name, to Xandeum in the DAO, in the Bitoku DAO. And then after that, we will have the Xandeum DAO. With the Xandeum DAO, there will be so many community votes. And why do we do that? All to engage you, because what's different about Xandeum, right? We are not looking to raise venture capital in this early phase, right? We are building our technology, and our open source code is already out there on GitHub. We're working on it each and every day, and we're working on making that storage layer possible. And yeah, it's all out there, guys. So it has been a super eventful month. If you want to know more, go to xandeum.com, join our Discord, and hey, what you can do before the launch date, right? I mean, stay tuned, because there will be a sequence of 3 videos about the launch and what actually the launch offer is on July 30th. And then there will be the incentivized DevNet shortly after that on August 15th, right? And incentivized means you get extra rewards for running a DevNet node. But, you can participate right now. You can get your license. And what we do instead of venture capital, right? We are selling node licenses, which is a similar methodology that you, for example, see in famous chains like Gala Games, right? So we do nothing with gaming. We just add that storage layer. But Gala Games also has nodes, right? And they sell licenses. It's a permission chain. They sell licenses to run a node. In Gala, it's not really clear what that node means, because it's all about gaming, and it's actually, I don't know. So, but for Xandeum, it's very clear what it means. A node is a validator node that communicates with all the storage provider nodes and makes that storage possible. And as you see with all the other chains, if you're one of these early validators, that's the best place to be. That's where you want to be. You want to be early, right? And now we're a month before the token offering even. We're super, super early, and you can already get your license to run a validator, and you start earning Xand rewards, the moment you get that node. And if you do that before the launch on July 30th, then you get this fantastic NFT. And it's still Bitoku branded, because before July 30th, we have that old name Bitoku, and it will all automatically be rebranded into Xandeum on the launch date, July 30th. But if you buy a node before that date, you get that NFT, and that gives you tons of benefits. For example, twice the voting power in our DAO. So that's all fantastic. Thanks everyone from the community for making all this possible. And, things are going great. And please hit that like and subscribe button, and stay tuned for all that's going to come. And there's going to be that sequence of 3 videos that tells you all about that fantastic launch offer that we have in store for you. So don't miss that one. Thanks for watching today, and catch you guys